GOOGL, stock analysis, super interesting. Is Google or Alphabet Incorporated a buy right now? I'm going to show you my exact play. I'm the only guy in the space, by the way, that's done 40,000 videos and actually documented them all every single day spread through 5 years. And also, like, I've invested tens of thousands of dollars on courses and mentors, all documented. And ultimately, with Google, I mean, it's an interesting play. Like, to be very frank and honest, I haven't made a video in a while. I mean, since we abandoned, I abandoned the ticker since it actually broke structure down. I was like, right, screw that. Got the first break, second one never came to fruition. And in this particular instance, this is a demand zone that I'm actually counting as something potentially that could shift, things. So in this particular situation, only if I see a little pull down and a double break, then and only then I'm gonna look to take it further up. So this is not financial advice. If there is no confirmation, I'm not willing to do really anything. I'm not willing to change anything. All I'm going to keep doing in the meantime is I'll keep waiting. And if you want to learn how I'm consistently generating 5 to 10K per month without indicators, click the first link in the description and get my free emails.